Hi friend, this is Prashant. Now today I am going to start with current electricity 9 standard 10 numericals. Now जैसे lecture start होता है तो nowadays it is a doubt solving lecture. तो each and every doubt solving lecture say out of 10 student 5 student will say कि हमें current में अभी भी doubts है. So for that ABB doubts, so for that this purpose I'm just making some new videos only on current electricity numericals. Now it is not possible for me to give each and every numerical, but I will try to make new set of numericals in this part, right? So now just check. Acha, one more thing, say as I told you earlier also कि physics खाली देख के बुक में देख के ऐसे करके होगा नहीं. यू हैव टू डू प्रैक्टिस, ओनली राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस. नो प्रैक्टिस मतलब बुक सामने रखो 10 घंटा बैठोगे तो कुछ नहीं आएगा. सो यू हैव टू डू अ रिटन प्रैक्टिस. इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं कि पूरा बुक लिखना है. यू हैव टू राइट व्हाट, सो लॉज, डेफिनेशंस, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, राइट, की पॉइंट्स, राइट. और गिव रीजन है तो उसका वैल्यू जैसे स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी, स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट, राइट, ऑल दैट वैल्यूज. रिफ्रैक्शन है तो उसके पीछे फिनोमेनन क्या है, वेदर इट इज TIR और रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. सो ऑल दैट पार्ट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर एंड दैट यू हैव टू राइट. Say in 4th chapter you have different factors. 5th chapter में what will happen if lens is immersed in water, if the half part of lens is covered, right? All that part, whatever part we are discussing, that you have to write. Then only you will be able to recollect, right? Still we have enough time, right? In that part also we can discuss many things. But today I am specially doing current electricity, right? Not exactly the same sum, different sums with a different combination, right? I may give some random values. I will not solve the entire numerical on board, but I will give some hint and remaining calculation part you can do it, right? So that is my work. Now just let us start with my next numerical. This is one numerical. Now if you check this numerical, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 resistors connected in this form. Right? Just by looking at this sum, you will find, oh yaar, ye kitna difficult, but it is not that way. This is very simple sum. What they have asked, ki find the resistance between point A and B. Now the question will be, it is not necessary that they will keep all numbers same, right? Format of this question will be remain same, right? Therefore just check this part. I will go first about this part, resistance between point A and B. Resistance between point A and B. So first I will mark these 2 points. This is my A point and this is my B point, right? Now for that point, these 2 points are open, so it is not connected as good as it is not connected. This is removed from this chart, right? Now the question is very simple, very simple. Now check. Before we start with anything, first I will take, see when the current enter in this circuit. So here is a current entering, whatever is the value, here it is entering. Now from here onwards, current has 2 paths. One is through this and second is through this, right? This is the total current. So some part of current will flow through this and remaining part will pass through this. Right? Again the total current flowing through this R3 will remain same, right? But here it is a branch. Now whenever there is a branching, that means these 3 resistors, that is these 3 resistors are connected one after another. These 3 resistors are connected one after another. So can I say when they are connected one after another, they are said to be in series. So they are said to be in what? Series. So I am writing here, since your R4, R7 and R5 are in series, or they are connected, they are in what? Series, right? When they are in series, that means what will happen? So your remaining part will be, this is your R1, right? This is your R2 as it is. This part will be your RS. I am calling this is RS1 is equal to, this is R4 plus R7 plus R5, which comes out to be 2 plus 2 plus 2, which comes out to be 6 ohm. So this is your RS1, and after that there will be a R3. Right, this is point B. Now this is point your A. Now just let me know, what about these 2 points? Now these 2 resistors are connected in parallel. So I can write here, since your R2 and RS1 are in parallel. When they are in parallel, so I am writing this part as, therefore 1 by Rp1 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. Right, so Rp1 is equal to 2 into 6 upon 2 plus 6, that is 12 upon 8. This is 2s are 3s are, which is 1.5. This is 1.5. Now check the diagram. Now this is your R1, this is your Rp, I will call this is Rp1, and this is your R3. This is point B, this is point B. Now how this R1, Rp1 and R3 are? They are connected in series. So I will write here, since your R1, Rp1 and R3 are in series, right? तो क्या हो जाएगा इसमें? Now देखो, therefore RS2 is equal to, now this plus this plus this, that is your R1 plus Rp1 plus R3. So that comes out to be, it is 2 plus 1.5 plus 2, that is equal to, it is 4, that is plus 1.5, that is 5.5 ohm. Resistance will be 5.5 ohm. Right? This is about the first numerical, that is first part of this numerical. Right? Again, just check this part. These 3 resistors are in series. Whatever is the answer taken is parallel to this R2. Whatever is the answer is taken over here, that 3 resistors are connected in series. So just take care when you are using this kind of sums, right? Just go through. Okay, now we'll go with again the next resistance between point A and C. Resistance between point A and C. So this was your original resistors, right? I think this was C, this was point D, this is R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, and this is R7. I don't know how it is arranged now. Here, this is R7, this will be R8, right? This is 2, this is 2, right? Now they want the resistance between point A and C. When they want resistance between point A and C, so I will select these 2 points. These are the 2 terminals. Now remaining these 2 terminals are open. Remaining these 2 terminals are open. I will remove all this part because this is for earlier numerical. This is something new, right? This is new. This is removed from here, right? Now these 2 parts are totally removed because it is not the part of circuit now. We want resistance between these points A and C. Now just tell me how you will start, right? So here again current is flowing. See, some current is split into 2 parts. Same current will flow through this and same current flow through this. So first of all, I can write these 2 resistors are in series. Let it be RS1. Now these 2 resistors again are in series. That is RS2. Now your RS1 and RS2, they are in parallel. Remaining part is what? They are in parallel. So whatever is that answer is in series with R1 and R6. Right? We will go step by step. So right here, since your R2 and R5 are in series. Now they are connected, they are in series. So I can write here therefore RS1 is equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4, Now since your R4 and R7 are in series, they are in what series? So I can write here therefore RS2 is equal to again 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4, which is connected, that is 4. Now next part, since your RS1 and RS2 are in parallel, are in what one? Now how? So this was your original resistance, which is your R1, right? Over here I will go with this, right? These are two resistors, they are connected like this. This is your RS2, this is your RS1, and this is your दूसरा resistor जो open है, which is your R6. Now just tell me how these two are connected now. They are connected in what? Parallel. They are connected in what? Parallel. So we write here therefore this is 1 by RP1 is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 2 by 4. So I can write here RP1 is equal to 2. RP1 is equal to 2. Now what will be the circuit now? Dekho next part में. This is your R1, right? After this part will be your RP1, and after that this is okay. Now after that this is your R6. This is your R6. Now how these three are connected? They are connected in series. They are connected in what? Series. So I can write therefore resistance R1, your RP1 and R6 are in series. So can I write here therefore RS, but the resistance between point A and B is equal to, this is 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 6 ohm. That is the resistance between point A and C. Between point A and C. Right? Check the next part. And this is about the question. I again repeat. These two parts are removed because that is open end. That is removed. Then these two resistors are in series. These two resistors are in series, RS1, RS2. This RS1 and RS2, they are in parallel. Then whatever is the answer, that is considered as RP. Then this R1, this RP and this R6 are in series. So that is your final answer, right? Now we'll go with the next part. Now what is the next question of this part, right? Let's check it. Now here they want resistance between point A and B. So again I will redraw that diagram. Again I will redraw that diagram. Right? This was your original diagram. This was R3. This was point B. Right? And this is your next diagram, which is R8. This is point D. Now what they want? Resistance between point A and D. Same question can be asked as resistance between point B and C. Same question, right? So when they want resistance between point A and D, so I will first mark these 2 points. So these are the 2 points selected, right? So this part is open. So I will just remove this part from the circuit. This part is totally removed. This part is totally removed, right? Now it is again a simple question. Now check. This is a current flowing. See, again current has 2 paths. One through this, another through this. Now these three resistors, how they are connected? they are connected in series. They are connected in what? Series. So I will write here, since your R2, R5 and R7 are connected in series. How they are connected? They are connected in series. So can I write here, therefore your RS1 is 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 6. Now it is 6. Now I will just change this diagram. This entire part now becomes your, this is your RS1. This entire part becomes your RS1. This was your R. This is RS1. Now just tell me, this RS1 is in parallel with R4. Now since your RS1 is in parallel with your R4, it is parallel with R4. So what is the answer for that? 1 by RP1 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. So I can write here, therefore RP1 is equal to 2 into 6 upon 2 plus 6, which comes up to be 1.5 ohm. It is 1.5. Right? So if I just do the calculation part of this part, I am getting this part as your RP1, which is equal to 1.5. Now just tell me, these three resistors are how connected? They are connected in series. So I will write here, since your R1, RP1 and R8 are connected in how? Series. How they are connected? In series. So I can write here, therefore resistance between point A and D is equal to, this is R1 plus RP1 plus R8, over 2 plus 1.5 plus 2, which is equal to 5.5 ohm. Manjrekar, it is 5.5 ohm. Right? That's it for this video, friends. Next time we'll continue with some different numerical based on current electricity only, and I will try to send a daily video on YouTube. For that you have to subscribe my channel. So if you subscribe my channel, if you give like to my channel, then it will be feeling encouraged for me. So I will make new videos and with the different topics, right? I am coming with some application based topic also, but that I will discuss only when if I get encouraged by liking this video. Just share this video with your friends. So you may find that कि सर अगर हम लोग ने ट्यूशन लिया है तो हमारे वीडियोस दूसरे लोग क्यों यूज करें, but that is not the question. This is the knowledge. You can share your knowledge. It is not necessary that कि अगर मैंने पढ़ा है मतलब उसको आएगा, या मैंने नहीं पढ़ा है उसको नहीं आएगा. It is not that way. If you share your knowledge, so you may gain something. You will not lose anything. And that's why I'm open in this YouTube. I'm not worried कि अगर मेरा कोई copy करेगा. It is not the same thing. If I'm teaching in my regular lecture also, each and every lecture will be different. It is something new for you, right? That's it for this video. Thank you so much. Bye.